Hello, my dear student. Today we shall discuss about refractive index of a medium. What is the role of refractive index of a medium to identify optically rarer and denser medium? Okay, only then we can tell about something about that refraction of light. Means how the changes in path of ray of light will take place while traveling from one medium to another medium. I would like to start my lecture while saying thanks to few students for their previous comments. One is Sahil for giving answer, and another is Hema asking one queries, and Mr. Yuvraj Kamboj is there to appreciate my effort. I thank you all in the beginning of my video. So now let's start one by one. I have written some material to save the time. Okay, so my dear student, when once again we are on the topic refraction of light. Today in this video we are going to learn some important terminology that is going to play an important role. जिसका बहुत ही important role है in the upcoming topics. Okay, so refraction of light is the phenomenon of change in the path of light when it goes from one medium to another. This is the simplest definition of refraction of light. Means will be change in the path of light. In reflection we have seen that there was also change in the path of light, but it was in the same medium. But for refraction of light, two different mediums are required. Okay, as we have earlier discussed, one medium should be rarer medium, another medium should be denser medium. Okay, my dear student, that was the seen earlier. So what are rarer and denser medium? A medium with higher refractive index is optically denser medium. There should be curiosity in your mind. What is refractive index? So today lot of discussion will be there on the refractive index itself. But before that, let's your brain to ask a question to you. There must be a question in your brain. What is refractive index? Only then you will be able to learn the things or learn the topics related to your chapters. So a medium with a higher refractive index is optically denser medium. Next is, what may be the cause of that refraction? What causes refraction of light? So cause of refraction of light is written over here. It is actually change in the velocity of light in going from one medium to another. Please note down that point. Cause of refraction of light is change in the medium of change in the velocity of light in going from one medium to another medium. Let's look at that corner. Now in our previous lecture we have discussed about optical density. So this optical density should not be confused with mass density of the medium. We have discussed previously too. Because why it should not be confused with mass density? Why it should not be confused with mass density? I have given few detail in the previous lecture. So because my dear student, generally you understand that denser medium is something in which molecules or atoms of the medium are very close to each other. So optical density, medium should be optically denser. It should not be confused with mass density. In your previous classes you have learned about rarer and denser medium in terms of packing of the atoms or molecules of the medium. If they are closely packed, it was known as the denser medium. If they were loosely packed, it was known as the rare medium. It was in terms of mass density. But here in that chapter of light, we need to discuss about in terms of optical density and optically denser medium and optically rarer medium. What will be there? Why it should not be confused? Because some medium may have higher mass density, but still it is optically rarer medium, but still it is optically rarer medium. How we can say that? Sorry, I am looking for my marker. How we can say that? Just look at here. If we compare two mediums, like water and turpentine oil, water and turpentine oil, so mass density of water is more than, it is having higher mass density. Water is having higher mass density, it is having higher mass density in comparison to turpentine oil, compared to turpentine oil. But in optics or in chapter of light, turpentine oil is known as the optically denser medium. It is optically denser medium. When we are going to compare water and turpentine oil, so optically denser will be turpentine oil, but in terms of mass density, water is more denser. Here we have to follow optically denser or optically rarer medium concept. Okay, so if we talk about that, later on we can show, or we can tell you that water is having refractive index 1.33, while the turpentine oil is having refractive index 1.47. We shall learn, or we have already discussed here, a medium with higher refractive index. A medium with higher refractive index is known as optically denser medium. So this is the refractive index of water, this is the refractive index of turpentine oil. Hence, when we are comparing these two medium, so what will happen? Turpentine oil will be more denser than water in terms of optical density. That should not be confused with mass density. I have told you about these terms. Be sure about this, student. There may be some questions may be asked in your